Friends, welcome you to my channel ADNSHR. Friends, in today's video we will learn most important, most useful formula which is very useful in our daily work. Okay, so that is Autofit formula. Okay, this is the macro based formula and this is the very shortest macro in the Excel. So when we type any word or any text, like I'm typing here, so here you can see that column is not get auto fit. Okay, you can take the numerical example as well. Okay, so numerical example 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So you can see here that it is not get auto fit. So we will tell you the solution for that. So what you need to do, just click here and go to view code. Okay, here you need to select worksheet. Okay, then you need to type here sales okay dot entire column dot autofit. Then you need to save this macro. Just close it. Now I will type some text. You can see the column is get auto fit. We can take the numerical example as well. You can see that it get auto fit. So that's all for today's video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.